Let's see what's the benefit of this kind of resume. First thing, that when the interviewer will see that you are a certified candidate, so he will be asking good questions from you, and if you have done certification by your efforts, then definitely 90% chances are there that you would be able to answer all his questions, because you would have that kind of knowledge. Second, that you have mentioned that you have exposure of 4 projects and related technology, you know about your projects. So question will come from these technologies only, like Java, Solid, JSP, Sturt, Spring and Hibernate. And because you have done the projects in these technology, you have the knowledge of this technology, you have the mastery of in this technology, chances would be higher that you would be able to answer these questions, right? After that, they will move on the projects and they will ask you about your projects. Because you have done these projects by your efforts, so you must be aware of your projects. The better you will explain your project, the chances would be higher to get selected over there. And because you have developed this project, so you would be able to explain your project, yes or no? Definitely you would be able to explain, because you have developed this project. First project they will ask you, second project they will ask you, third project, fourth project. And see, interviewer has a limited time, but you have the unlimited time. So the interviewer has spent most of his time where you were capable to answer his questions, where you were good enough. And because you have answered all his questions, so most probably till he will move on this page, he would have been made his mind to get select you. After that, he will see that you have some working experience for some client or some company in part time, and you have done some certification and you have scored that much in that, your educational qualification also good enough. And after that, he will see your personal detail, and again till he will reach end of the resume, you will be get selected in company. So this is the way how you can improve your chances to get selected in any company.